In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Outlook quickly and securely. Logging out is essential, especially if you're on a public or shared computer, to keep your account safe. Start by opening Outlook and signing in if you're not already. Once you're on your inbox, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile image or name. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Sign Out. Outlook will log you out and redirect you to the login page, confirming your session is closed. Logging out ensures your emails and personal information stay private and adds an extra layer of security. Make it a habit to sign out whenever you finish using Outlook, especially on shared devices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to log out of Outlook in just a few simple steps. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.